In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Leadpages to build high converting landing pages. So to do this, I'll first leave a link to Leadpages down in the description, and from there you can claim a 14-day free trial. So it will just take you to leadpages.com. From there, just click sign up free, and then you can choose one of their plans. So they have standard, pro, and conversion. And then you can choose if you want to pay monthly or yearly. Now this doesn't matter that much. I'll just get started with the standard plan. So from there you can sign up with email or continue with Google. And then add a payment method to start your trial. So after doing that, just quickly go through the onboarding right here. And then you will get to this page. Now I recommend starting with a template, especially if you don't have much experience using Leadpages or similar tools. Now from here you can sort by the newest landing page templates, by the conversion rate, or the most popular. Now for example, I'll go by conversion rate, and then from there you can also select what type of a collection, page type, industry, style, and color it has. Now I wouldn't filter by style or color, since you can pretty easily change that. What I would do is go by industry. So under industry, just pick whichever industry you are in. For example, I'll go by real estate. And then it will show you real estate templates, and in this case it's sorting by the conversion rate. So for example, if I want to use this one, the home value opt-in page, then you just want to go and click on start building, although you can also preview a few of them to see exactly how it looks first, but I'll just click start building. So again, I recommend starting from a template, since then you only need to change some minor details such as the text, the logo, maybe some colors, but you don't have to build it from the ground up. So then here, just give it a name, and then click continue. And then here, it will take you to the landing page. So this right here is the current landing page. Now first, I would recommend thinking about where most of the people that will view your landing page will be on, so what type of a device. Usually, for example, it will be phone. So then I recommend editing off of the phone template, since that's how most people will see it. Then after doing that, before really getting into the details, I recommend changing some of the general details, such as the layout right here. So you have different sections, which you can see here. So you have the hero and footer. Now you can add sections if you want. Now what you can also do is go to styles and then change the buttons, change fonts, background, etc. So this is where I recommend starting. For example, if I want to change the button color, I can just click on it here and change it to, for example, blue. And then let's say I want rounded corners, I can select that as well and then hit save. And now you can see the button will update. So from here, just go through and change everything that you want to change. And in the meantime, while you are editing the landing page, also take a look at the lead meter here at the top. So the higher this bar is, or the more filled it is, the better. And if you click on it, you can see some issues that your landing page has. Now this, I think, is one of the best features in Leadpages. So for example, for me, some issues right now, the button text is hard to read, and it basically says that twice. So in this case, I may want to change the button to a bit of a darker color. So for example, now I've made it more of a dark blue color, and now you can see it is excellent, and now I have passed all of the 14 checks. So you can see what it checks on right here, so the opt-in form, readability, etc. Now then you can also change the background, so you can click background right here, and then you can choose an image, you can set it to a color, you can really make it whatever you want. You can also use AI to generate an image if you want to do that. Now, if you want to remove a certain section, you can just hover over it and then click on the delete button, and then it will be gone. And then again, you can also add in sections right here. For example, about, call to action, contact us, or any of these other ones right here. For example, I'll add in a text block, and then you can see they have a bunch of them. So you can just select something and then drag it in wherever you want to have it. And then again, you can also update that and change the buttons, change the background color, the image, etc. So for example, if you want to change an image, just go to the image and then click on edit. And then from there, you can then click on the image icon and upload a new image. Now you also have these buttons, and you want those buttons to lead somewhere. So for example, right here, you can click edit, click event, and then you can see where it leads to. So this one will open a pop-up, which is my lead box 1. So from there you can click edit pop-up and you will be able to see it right there. So in this case it will ask for the email to get your home value, so email and street address, and then they can click get my home value, and that's basically the opt-in. Now if you want to get more, for example you also want to have a name, you can just click on it, and then in the left this will open up. Now you can go to fields and then add a field, and then you can add, for example, first or last name. I'll just add in the first name, and then here placeholder text, etc. And then you will see that that now is also added in. Then under actions, you can also choose what happens when they complete the opt-in. So the default Leadpages thank you page, you can see that right there. You can lead it to a landing page, an external URL, or just remain on the page. Now you can also integrate your Leadpages landing page with other tools. So you can click add an integration, and then here click more services, and then you will find their native integrations. So you can, for example, integrate it with your email marketing tool, such as ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, whatever you use. Through Zapier, you can also integrate it with a bunch of other tools. Now you can see in the lead meter it went from excellent to great, and the reason for that is that I have more than 2 form fields. So in that case I may consider deleting the first name, since that will improve my conversion rate. So again, just go and edit the entire page however you want. Now I recommend not making it too long if it's just a simple opt-in page for a simple offer, such as giving the value of the house. And once you're done, what you can then do is go to settings, and from there you can also do the SEO. So if you want this landing page to rank in search engines, you can add some keywords, a description and title. Then if you also do tracking, then you can add some tracking codes right here, or for example if you want to run ads to this landing page, then here's where you can add your pixels. Now they also have an AI writing assistant that you can use to write the copy of your landing page. So once it's done, go and click on publish, and then from there you need to end your trial to publish, which means you need to start paying for the subscription. So you can do that if you want. Now I'll just keep it like this for now. Now what you can also do is of course connect a custom domain. To do that, go to the Leadpages menu and then click domains right here. And then here click connect a domain. Then here you can write your domain and go and connect it. And after connecting it, you can then also again connect it to your landing page. Now in the landing pages section right here, you can see your amount of visitors, conversions, and then also the conversion rate. And if you click analytics, you will get more details about your analytics. So you can set a specific time frame, and from there you can also run A/B split tests to see what works. For example, you can remove some fields in the opt-in page, and you can try and change some of the copy, and that way you can just optimize your landing page. So that's how you can create a landing page using Leadpages. Now after publishing it, you don't need to connect your own domain. You also just get a Leadpages domain, which you can see right here in the domains section. So it's basically your name and then .lpages.co, so it's not that bad of a domain. And you can also just use that one if you prefer. Now again, I'll leave a link to Leadpages down in the description, where you will be able to get a 14-day free trial. If this Leadpages landing page tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.